already. You know, that wasn't me. I did not do that.
Hi, it's Marissa.
And I'm Lauren. We're testing inventions to see if they live up to expectations.
We're here to answer the most important question.
It's cool.
But does it really work?
Look at my taco! Ground beef, sausage, eggs,
All your
pepper.
favorites. Put a piece of fruit on top.
Oh, nasty.
So these are called clever tongs. They are supposed to be a smarter way to pick up food.
I don't get it. Like, I don't understand how they're clever. What makes them different?
When you're picking up like fruit salad,
Yeah.
and you're using tongs, but you have to pick up each individual fruit because you can't grab a bunch of fruit salad. It's
Yeah,
not like
which
a
is
spoon.
really annoying, right?
This kind of has like a spoon-like pocket in between the two
Oh,
tongs.
I see.
So it'll, yeah, it's kind of like a blanket.
Are you not supposed to close it all the way when you do it? Like, are you just supposed to pick it up like that?
Like it's supposed to go under.
But mine doesn't do that. Yeah, but... Okay, so...
Oh yeah, yours is kind of messed up.
Oh, yours is breaking already. You... That wasn't me. I did not do that. Aren't they supposed to be like, do they snap? Like, is it a
No, like, okay,
snapping
so like,
mechanism?
I don't know, if I wanted to pick this up. If you are flipping something delicate like eggs or pancakes, do not apply pressure to the handles.
What's the point of the tong mechanism if really you're just there to like scoop something up?
Yeah.
I don't think that these are gonna work properly. I feel like they're very delicate, so flipping burgers after a while, I can't imagine that it'll hold up. And I also think that these are essentially just spatulas.
I think it will work. I think this is something that you could definitely use in your kitchen. Personally, I've gone through the trouble of trying to pick things up off of a hot plate or in a bowl, and they just won't work with tongs. You need to get a spoon or some sort of spatula, and that's just adding too many things to the mix. However, I am a little bit skeptical because we've taken these out, we've kind of messed around with them, and they do seem to be kind of not living up to the expectations we had for them. We have various food items of different sizes. We have some fruit salad, we have asparagus, cut up peppers, some ground beef, some sausages, and some scrambled eggs, and we also have taco shells. Our goal is that each of us is going to make a plate of food, and we can't drop anything using the clever tongs.
I'll taco you up. I'm gonna use the big
So
one.
I'm like, okay, I'm gonna use the small one because, ooh.
Problem one, already locking.
Yes, Marissa broke hers. So.
I did not. Some ground beef in there.
This I'm excited to see.
I think it'll work.
Seems a little too big for this taco.
Okay. Oh, pineapple down.
Pineapple down, but we got some kiwi, so it's all good. Gonna pick up
Use the tongs.
peppers.
Don't drop anything.
Oh,
Disqualified.
No.
It's hard.
My hopes and dreams.
Can I add some scrambled
We
eggs?
got some stuff in there. Yeah, I want some scrambled eggs, child.
Don't do this at home. Yeah, you didn't pick anything up. Look at my taco. Ground beef, sausage, eggs,
All your
pepper.
favorites. Put a piece of fruit on top.
Oh, nasty. That's disgusting.
It's the hardest.
Yay!
Yeggs. That's what I used to call them as a kid. Oh, that's a good grab.
Some eggs.
Yeggs.
We're gonna see who can pick up the biggest chunk of ground beef and peppers. Ready? I feel like I'm gonna win.
Oh my god, she picked up like the entire bowl. That's not
But a
fair.
lot fell out. Oh.
Yeah, some of it is falling out.
See, you can get a lot. Oh wow, that was good. I won!
But the thing is, look at all this. I'm like shaking. I have no upper body.
Yeah, you are
I'm
shaking.
I
But
think
this is
it's
great though. Could
This
you
is a
imagine
cool product.
being
I
at
like
a
it.
party and then having people just get their tacos, pick it up, and then
How
pop
much
it
do
in
you want
there?
in it?
Yeah, that was my hand. But you know what we mean. I love this
I like it.
product.
I think it's a good idea. But
Wow. I don't know. I'm impressed.
I'm very impressed.
Yeah.
I like it. I think it works. So what does this
this invention a total disaster or a huge success?
Or something in between.
Let us know in the comments. These are not gonna work. Cause you
I
can't
have
put your, you can't put your hand on the skillet like that.
Yeah, you can.
Okay, that was
Oh,
easy.
okay, yeah, I can see that though. Yeah, there's little indents already in mine.
Right. Oh, we thought this was gonna be easy, but I don't know.
But maybe on a pan it'll be different. Like, can you?
But at the same
Squeeze it. There you go.
No, I was squeezing too.